The Bengal elections has turned into an adventure episode with so many things happening simultaneously. It is turning out to be one of the biggest electoral battles ever in the country. From the BJP, the Prime Minister, Home Minister and the BJP chief have been coming to Bengal in short phases, something that has not happened before. Then comes Mamata Banerjee's challenge by standing from Nandigram against Subhendu Adhikari, who has a very strong influence on the voters in Nandigram. Next came Mamata Banerjee's alleged attack where she was injured and admitted to the SSKM hospital. On Saturday, ex-Finance Minister Yashwant Sinha joined the Trinamool Congress saying that Mamata's attack was the last straw and he could not take it anymore.
The tipping point actually was the attack on Mamata ji in Nandigram. That was the tipping point. और आज जब उनसे हमारी मुलाकात हुई और जो उन्होंने उस घटना के बारे में वर्णन दिया, उससे साफ हो गया कि जिन ताकतों के साथ आज बंगाल में तृणमूल कांग्रेस का और बंगाल की जनता का मुकाबला है, वो किसी भी हरकत से बाज नहीं आएंगे। तो वो किसी हद तक जा सकते हैं, लोगों की हत्या करा सकते हैं, लोगों के ऊपर अटैक करा सकते हैं, उनको इमोबिलाइज कर सकते हैं, किसी हद तक जा सकते हैं चुनाव जीतने के लिए। वो एक तरह से वो मोमेंट ऑफ डिसीजन था ममता जी के ऊपर जो अटैक हुआ। मैंने सोचा कि अब बाहर रहकर नहीं बल्कि बगल में रहकर, अंदर रहकर मुझे उनका साथ देना चाहिए।
And finally, Rakesh Tiketh, farmer leader, landed in Kolkata on Saturday to campaign for Mamata Banerjee in Nandigram and also send a message to the electorate to not vote for the BJP, which are spoilers for the BJP. The turn of political events is quick and difficult to digest. Mamata Banerjee was discharged today from the hospital and was seen on a wheelchair. She plans to start her campaigning from the 15th of March. The election fever in Bengal is now at its pitch, with probably more surprises to be seen in the days to come. Please like our Facebook page and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to never miss the latest updates from News at 9.